Hello students, in this video we will learn your topic statistics exercise 14.4 page number 286. We will do the choose the correct options. Number 1, a cricket player has a mean score of 50 runs in 4 innings. How many runs to be scored by the player in the 5th innings to raise the mean score by 5? So what is given? Mean score of 50 runs in 4 innings. Mean score given in 4 innings. How much mean score? 50. So what is given? Given that mean score in 4 innings given 50. So total run in 4 innings will be 4 into 50. 4 into 50. 4 5 is at 20. 4 0 is at 0. So how much we get? 200. Total run in 4 innings we get 200. Now you see how many runs to be scored by the player in the 5th innings to raise the mean score by 5. So now new mean previous in 4 innings mean score is 50. Mean score have to raise. How many runs he have to score to raise the mean score by 5? So new mean will be 55. So total score or total runs in 5 innings is 5 into 55. 5 5 is at 25. 2 in hand. 5 5 is at 25 plus 2, 27. So in total runs in 5 innings we get 275. Total runs in 4 innings we get 200. That means how much he have to score in 5 innings? 275 minus 275 runs. So we will write now runs to be scored. Therefore runs to be scored by the player in 5th innings is, you subtract total runs in 5 innings, how much we get? 275 minus total run in 4 innings, how much? 200. 275 minus 200 is how much? 75. That means he have to score 75 runs in 5 innings. You see the next question, number 2. The mean of first 5 prime number is. First 5 prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? You have got about prime numbers in the lower class. Prime numbers are those numbers which has only 2 factor, 1 and number itself. So first 5 prime numbers are, you have to first you write the first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 10. After 7, 9 is not a prime number. 9 is composite number. After 7, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you have to find mean of these first 5 prime numbers. So what is mean? How we find mean? Mean is, it is denoted by x bar. Mean is what? Sum of all observation. What are the observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Sum of, you find sum of all observation and divide by number of observation, total number of observation. How many observation we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to divide it by total number of observation. Sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So you find out the sum now. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 5 23. 23 plus 3 26. Plus 2 is 28. 28 by 5. You do divide. 28 divide by 5. We know 5 5 is at 25. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. Take point, then 0. 5 6 is 30. So how much we get? We get 5.6. So which one is the correct option? Your correct option is A. Now you see the next one, 3. For x equal 1, the median of data x, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 3 and x plus 2 is. So how can we find now the median of this data x, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 3 and x plus 2? Here given x equal 1. Which should be the correct option? You have to find out the correct option. So there x is given 1. So first value we have x, then x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 3 and x plus 2. So x is 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2. So it becomes what now? 1, 2, 0, 4, 3. Now to find median you have to arrange in ascending order. Now you arrange the data in ascending order. First, ascending order means smaller to greater. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is median? Median is the value of middle place, middle observation. Which one is the middle observation? So how many observations are there now? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of observation we have 5. Number of observation n is 5. 5 is then odd number. If number of observation is odd, then there is a rule or formula to find median. Median is equal n plus 1 by 2 observation. N getting 5 plus 1 by 2 observation. 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So third observation. You see now in the ascending order, which one is the third observation? 1, 2, 3. So this is your median. Median is 2. So correct option is B. B is the correct option. Now you see the next question number 4. The mean of first 5 natural number is. Which is your correct option? You have to find. So the first 5 natural numbers are, what are the natural numbers? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers and whole numbers you have got already in lower class. If numbers is starting from 0, then it will be whole number. Okay. If starting from 1, then they are called natural numbers. So we got the natural numbers. First natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to find mean. Mean equals sum of the observations. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. We have 5 numbers. You have to add all the numbers, sum of all the observations. Then divide by total number of observations. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to divide by 5. Mean or average is same. How you find average? In the same way you can find mean. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 by 5. You know 5 3 is a 15. So mean of first 5 natural number is getting how much? 3. So A is your correct option. Now you see the next question. The median of first 10 odd number is. Which is your correct option? You have to find. So the first 10 odd numbers are what? First odd number is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, 9, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. These are the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. These are the first 10 odd numbers. So you have to find median. So how many observations are there? We have 10 odd numbers. So here number of observation is 10. 10 is an even number. So if even number, then to find median we have a rule. The mean of n by 2. The mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Mean. How many observations? 1, 2. That is why we divide by 2. So n is how much? N is 10. 10 by 2 plus n by 2 is 10 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 10 by 2 is 5. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 6 by 2. Now you see fifth observation. Fifth observation how much? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation is 9. Then plus sixth observation. Sixth observation is 11 by 2. So 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 by 2 is 10. So 10 is the correct option. Correct option is 10. That means B. Now you see the next question number 6. 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84, 95 are in ascending order. If median of the data is 63, then x is which one? You have to find which one correct option. So here median already given. Median given 63. So now you see how many observations are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here number of observation n is 10. This is even. So median, therefore median is what? How we find median? The mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. Mean. It means we have 2 observations. This one and this one. 2. That is why we divide by 2. Mean of median. If number of observation is even, what is how we find median? It is the rule. Mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So median already given. You see median given. Median is 63. So median you write 63. N by 2. N is 10. 10 by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 63. 10 by 2 is 5th observation. 5th. 10 by 2 is 5 plus 1 6th observation. Divide by 2. 63. Now you see 5th observation, which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th observation is x. 6th observation is x plus 2 by 2. Now you see 63 equal x plus x, 2x plus 2 by 2. Now you do cross multiply. 63 has denominator 1, you do cross multiply. 2x plus 2 into 1 is a 2x plus 2. 63 into 2. 2 3 is a 6. 2 6 is a 12. So 2x is equal 126. This 2 you take in right side, then it becomes negative. So 2x is equal 126 minus 2 is 124. Therefore x is 124 by 2. 2 6 12. 2 2 is 4. So how much we get? Median 62. So your correct option is 62. Thank you.